Hey guys, it's triple trouble, or as today we call it double trouble, because as you can tell,
Tony's not here.
he's not hiding behind his baking soda. We know he's short
not.
and he has a lot of hair, but he's not hiding behind
That's
them.
you can mostly see about him.
He's up north camping with our family right now, so it's just the two of us today.
Yeah,
And
so
today, what we bring to you is
DIY slime. We're gonna be needing some baking soda, some glue, clear Elmer's glue, some
food
water,
coloring, water,
and then we're gonna need hot water, and you're gonna need bowls, stuff to mix it, and then tablespoons. Okay, and then so that's
Okay. Alright, so let's get started.
the first thing that we're gonna have to do is pour this.
Pour some glue into the bowl.
We can just pour the rest of it in.
Yeah. Pour all that in. Only half, but yeah.
We already used the other half.
Use the other half for testing. So just pour half a glue bottle of Elmer's glue. Clear one. Don't use
If
the
you
white
want to
one.
make this is like DIY clear glue. And then
Only clear version, guys.
you're gonna need some 50 milliliters of
of
water.
water. Second step is to pour 50 milliliters of water. Make sure you do every step correctly
It's
and not
about
mess up
35.
like we did our first time.
15. Okay.
Alright, so step 3.
Is
So,
saline solution.
20 milliliters of saline solution.
Oh yeah, that's what saline solution. I forgot to put that.
20, no more than 20.
Okay. That right there.
Yeehaw!
Oh yeah,
Don't mind our guest in the back.
Then food coloring. We're gonna be using red.
Chattahoochee,
One
bro.
at it.
Okay,
One.
2 drops only, guys.
Last time you messed up and put 3. Oh.
Yeah, I did know such thing. Oh, as you guys want to see, how to get that real good mixing.
Okay, that's about good.
Alright. That's good,
And
guys.
then, so you're gonna get this, the other
Okay,
bowl,
step 4 was coloring. So,
and then you're
step
gonna
5, baking soda, 6 grams.
Mike,
Or, you can use 2 teaspoons of this.
what do you have two things charging?
That's as small as you can go and as big as you can go.
get
Not too big and not too small.
right
So
there.
you have to get a separate bowl for that. Steps
Yes.
1 through 4 was the first bowl. Steps 5 through 9 is the second bowl.
And then, so we're gonna get the baking soda.
Step 5, baking soda. 6 grams, 2 teaspoons.
Okay, that's enough.
And
we're
you
gonna
gotta
use
mix right
hot
here.
water.
Oh no. My bad, guys. We gotta get 200 millimeters, 6.7 ounces of hot water.
I'll be back.
That'll be bad. That's our background music. Dio, say hi to YouTube. She doesn't know. She's just over there dancing. Kids these days. I also hope you guys have a good weekend. I know I will. featuring the third guest. Besides my Thea, my cousin, her, and my baby cousin. Oh, he's back with some hot water, guys.
30 milliliters of hot water.
Into the second bowl. To not get that mixed up. Second bowl, guys. 5 through 9.
And then
But that's 6 of hot water, 200 millimeters of 6.7 ounces of hot water. Alright. Step 7 is the... Oh,
Just mix
sorry
it.
guys. Before you get on to step 7, step 6, you gotta mix it.
oh,
The hot water and the baking soda. You gotta mix it.
make sure all the baking soda's gone. It's just baking soda water. And then you gotta get that out right there. Oh my gosh.
Do you want me to get this? Oh, just, yeah, do that. Alright. Make sure you have nothing in the baking soda, guys. There can't be nothing in it to mix with. Just the baking soda,
Okay.
2 teaspoons, regular water, and then some hot water. As you guys know, we said was
And then,
200 millimeters, 6.7 ounces.
and then the next step is pour together.
Step 7 is pour together. Make sure to combine these 2 bowls at step 7. Here we go. Now, on to step... Oh, nope, not just yet. Gotta mix both of them. The best part, you guys.
Oh, you can see it's getting slimy.
Ah. The whole main idea of this challenge, you guys.
Okay.
Slime. That's process.
And then,
Gotta put your hands in there, mix that all up.
oh, and step 8 is no air bubbles.
Oh yeah, make sure if you see any air bubbles in here, you take every single one out. Now that's slime.
So, you can put it back.
Okay.
I need to wash
As you guys can tell, that's slime.
It's supposed to be clear. I need to wash my hands.
It is clear, isn't it? Well, I mean, that's the whole point. Follow the steps to get there. So that's step 8, guys, was to remove the air bubbles.
You have to keep it in a little jar.
Keep it in
so-
something
so it
small.
can dry out. Like, we have one of these things.
Okay, did you remove all the air bubbles? Make sure every single air bubble's out.
Keep mixing.
Forgetful sometimes. Yes. Everything out. Everything out.
Okay.
All the air bubbles up?
Keep mixing a little bit more. Oh. Keep mixing. You gotta mix for like a good 2 to 3 minutes.
Okay. Oh yes. Slimy.
It is. It's very slimy.
All the air bubbles like that? Or not just yet? It looks like it's getting clear. Do you guys see the clearness yet?
Okay, we're gonna.
You comment at this part of the video if you see the clear and all the air bubbles out yet. Oh, I can see some. Vinny, you didn't get all the air bubbles. Alright,
Getting plate for after for.
alright. Gotta make sure all those air bubbles are out, you guys. Don't want any in there. You can see it's getting clear. And of course you see the slime already. Guess we chose the right color, huh? Yeah. My Dia's enemies are the flies.
Is that good?
comment if you guys think that's good. Make sure to comment, you guys. We love to hear your guys' opinions and facts if you guys have done this before.
And then, so what we're gonna do.
All right. Well, that's steps 1 through 8.
And then
Now
for
what
the
you gotta
last
do?
step, let
Step
it dry
9 is to let this dry.
for 5 minutes.
5. Only 5. Not 1, not 2, not 3, not 4. 5.
Okay. And then,
Ooh,
so we
yes.
gotta let it sit. Can't let that get on the table. Oh, there's still some in here.
Ah. Right. Gotta let that sit.
Okay,
Anywho, you gotta let it sit for 5 minutes.
so
Okay, we got this talk. So you guys see all the steps. So we go over those again, just in case you guys weren't following. Number 1, you pour the glue in, of course. Half a bottle of Elmer's glue, clear, because that's what our version is up here. Step 2, 50 milliliters
we wrote
of
all
water.
of our steps
Oh my
down.
god, are you
right
gonna let
here.
me like?
Yeah.
Don't interrupt me, guys. 50 milliliters of water. Step 3, 20 millimeters of saline solution. Autocorrect right there, guys. Am I right? Step 4, coloring. Any color you want. One color, because I don't know if you can really do a bunch of colors. I have an reaction. We actually haven't tried that out, so you can try it out if you want. But at step 4, you gotta mix it once you put all the other ingredients from 1 to 3 in. Step 5, this is where you get a separate bowl, and you put baking soda in of 6 grams or 2 small teaspoons of it. Remember, only this one. And next is number 6, where you get the hot water, 200 milliliters of 6.7 ounces of water, hot water. Use this cup at all times for when we pour anything of water in. And number 6 is also where you mix the hot water and the baking soda. And number 7 is where you combine both bowls together. And, well, of course, you gotta mix a lot more into 7. Remember to remove all the air bubbles. Keep mixing until you can see the clearness coming through. That's progress. Clear slime, duh. Make sure all the air bubbles are out. And once you see it's clear enough and all air bubbles are out and it looks clear and nice and smoothly, that you did it correctly, let it dry for 5 minutes. Not 1 or 2, 5.
You can keep playing with it, like, for when it's drying.
We haven't did 5 minutes yet.
I know, but it can, like, it gets sticky, but...
You can play with it as it dries to get it more stickier.
No, not more stickier.
What do you mean?
Like, so it's, like, gets more dry.
Oh, more dry.
Hold on.
Oh my, that's why you gotta let it dry. That's why you gotta let it dry.
That's all. So, okay. So you gotta let
Well,
it dry.
video will be right here.
Do you guys want to YouTube me?
Yeah, me
That's my Thea back there.
and our cousin
On
Danielle.
my decor?
Oh, we'll save that for another time. Yeah. Also, don't tell Johnny we did this, even though he's probably gonna see it by the time he comes back home. Probably be a little bit mad, but he wasn't here.
His fault.
Mm-hmm.